a 459 or a 89 pips of profit potential for you to choose. Which will you take? The simple answer for most people that you will choose is whichever has a higher number, and in most cases people are going to choose the 459 pips profit potential. But we have to understand what are the factors and reasons for us to achieve that, and is there any risk to it before we engage it. And at times we can choose to engage both of the trades if you are a experienced and veteran trader as well. So let's dive in on pound dollar and let me share with you what am I talking about in these two different trading opportunity. On the daily chart, what we see over here, it is still a uptrend. You guys know that I've been looking for a shorting opportunity on pound dollar, and if you have followed me closely, you have realized that no damage has been done. And that is because I will wait for pattern confirmation before engaging the trades. So without those confirmations, I will not engage those trades, even I have the intent to sell it. So down to the 4-hour chart, what we see over here is another movement towards the upside. We have a break and close above the previous high, showing a further appreciation move. No doubt how much bearish candle and how strong it is. The fact is the fact. If you follow the rules closely, you're able to read the trend the right way without any subjectivity, and you are able to read the trend in an objective manner. That is why rule-based analysis trumps everything. To the 1-hour chart, this is what we have. Once again, a uptrend movement. You can get distracted by this bearish move, but overall it is still a strong bullish movement. If this is something that interests you, you can scan this QR code. It will bring you to our students forum over here within the Discord channel. And under the Discord channel, what you can do to go to our information segment under Traders Cafe, click the pin message and scroll down to the bottom. This is where you get access to our students portal. By clicking the link, you'll gain access over here, and you can make a decision to join our Telegram broadcast channel as well. The advantage of it is to receive my voice memo and important messages you might miss in the Discord. I must stress that the primary information and communication that you're going to receive is on the Discord. If you scroll down further, this is the free trading I'm talking about, because 18 years ago when I started trading, I know the challenges of what traders have. You are not sure what information you can trust and whether these strategies has been tested. So in a way, a part of me, I want to give back to people who struggle to meet these, kind of your expenses and stuff like that, your daily life, and you want to learn some ways and skill sets to earn and gain additional income, and we created a free training over here. And of course, with that, we are unable to support you to the fullest. We are unable to coach you due to time constraint. If you'd like to get coached by us, drop us a note. We will see if you are ready to be coached before accepting you as our students. And if you scroll down further, this is what we have: trading ideas for traders who are looking for a trading reference. You want to see what a trader like myself are looking at, what kind of trades we are looking at. And one thing you can realize is our final target will have a more than 2:1 reward is to risk, because just by having 2:1, it significantly reduces the level of stress of being a trader. That means you just need a 40% accuracy rates to be profitable. And using the right risk management, in the long run, you are going to be profitable. Let's head back to our daily chart and let me share with you my analysis over here. So over here in my analysis, what I'm looking for, well, the 400 over pips of trading opportunity comes in for a shorting opportunity, and what is required is a retest back up to 1.2395 to short it all the way down at least to 1.1937. So let me just show you one of the amazing tool over here. We call it the measure tool. You can click and drag. You can see it's 459 pips. That's the trade I'm talking about. Very nice resistance, very nice support. Personally, I want to wait for a retest back up to give me the ultimate advantage. The risk of missing the trade is there if I'm waiting for such retest, but it significantly reduces the risk I have to put in to chase these trades. I don't chase trades. I'd rather miss a trade than to chase the trades. And of course, this is something that you have to decide on your end. Down to the 4-hour chart, if you are trend traders, you might want to look for a buying opportunity at 1.2302. But for me, I'll need some form of retest, a slowdown of the falling knife, if I may use the analogy, a slowing down of that, a confirmation reversal before I engage a trade. So to the 1-hour chart, a better setup will be the bullish bat pattern setup. If you watch closely, the C price did not touch the furthest end of the candle body, which is great. But for conservative trader, you can still wait for a candlestick confirmation, a retest before engaging for a buying opportunity. The final target you might want to consider to stretch it to the shorting price at 1.2395. That will give you 89 pips. So the difference come in between the 89 pips and 459 pips of profits potential comes in when, one, the 89 pips is you are trading with the trend, you are known as trend traders. Second, the counter trend traders will have a 459 pips of target profits potential. So which is better? To me is whichever trading strategies fits my engagement rules. I have a healthy reward is to risk. I will then engage the trades. But of course, like every traders, if I have to choose only one trade, I will definitely prefer the shorting opportunity because the upside is just so great. Alright, but I just want to stress that I will wait for confirmation and not to chase the trade blindly. That's all I have for you today. If you'd like to get coached by us, drop us a DM.